Again, if you have an N55, so like a 330, 335, that sort of thing, you're not going to have that strut bar all the way across. You will have your front intake duct off your air box though, so this is going to be similar. You just want to loosen the clamp on this side. Usually it's just typical hose clamp, so it's a screwdriver to loosen the hose clamp. In this case, I've got my upgraded clamps, which look great. So it's a 5mm, so you just depress the little clip and pull the plug out. And if you have a vacuum hose, like my car does, and some of the N55s do, you just squeeze on the collar and pull it back. That'll give us a chance to look here underneath. We're going to pack it full of rags and paper towels to make sure we don't leak anything, but we'll get all set up, so we'll do this as cleanly as possible. So let me get my intake out, and I'll show you what the next steps are. All right, so now that we've got a clear look at your thermostat, you can see you've got 3 bolts. 1, 2 tucked, the second one is tucked behind this pipe right here. It's a little hard to see right for the moment. And then the third is actually all the way back behind here, and you're not going to be able to get to it until these are off. So now that the intake is out as well, you can see, as I put a light right here, you can see a lot more clearly. I definitely have some oil residue in there. So it's probably leaking here on this side from that back part of that gasket. So really no big deal. So a couple of things.